Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. If you want to place images into shapes, create creative layouts, or build professional looking designs, Canva Frames lets you drop photos into pre-made shapes instantly. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use frames in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open Canva and log into your accounts. Open an existing design. So for example, let's choose this one. Frames work in any design type. Okay, so go to the left sidebar and here and look for elements. So here is elements. So now look for frames or frame. So let's tap it here, even though it's here. So for those who want to guarantee that the option is here. Okay, so frames are located inside the elements section, as you see. So frames are different from each other here. So choose a frame, browse the available frame style. Okay, for example, let's choose this one. Okay, so it's just example. Okay, so click a frame to add it to your design. You can choose square frames, circle frames, grid layouts, letter frames, creative shapes. Okay, so and then go to photos or uploads. Okay, and upload files and fit choose a file, and it's automatically crop the image, fits inside the frame. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.